So when in your exam question you see a shape with some information given to you, you know it's going to be about the volume and area, isn't it? And that's the idea here, even before we read, because we are seeing a shape. And what kind of shape is that? It is a sector of a circle, isn't it? So that's what this question will be about. Let's see, the diagram shows a sector of a circle of a radius 12. So that is 12, and that is 12 as well, isn't it? Because this is the center of the circle, and here is the edge. So radius go in every direction with an angle of 77. So we have to do what? Find the area of the sector. Give your answer in centimeters squared, correct one decimal place. So the area of the sector, how do we find it? We go to the table and we look for the formula. And in our table, we have two formulas for the area. Which one will we choose? Now, this formula here, beside it, saying when that theta, and what is theta angle here, is expressed in radians. And those formulas here are for when angle is expressed in degrees. We have degrees, therefore this is the formula we're going to use, the area of the sector. So let's write it down. And now let's change letters with numbers. So the area will equal pi multiply r is what? Radius, and our radius is 12. So 12, that is taken to the power of 2, multiply fraction line at the bottom, we have 360, and theta is our angle here, so in this case 77. And all we do, we put that in the calculator, press equal, and to one decimal place we should be getting 96.8. Now don't forget to write the units, isn't it? Centimeters squared. Okay, and then the next part of the question is saying find the length of the perimeter of the sector. So if I am looking for the perimeter, that means what? I am looking for this length and this length and this length. So I have those two. I know it is 12 and I know it is 12. But what about this length? And again, if you are not sure what to do, you go to your tables when you have that shape. And here you can see that we have something that's called L. That's what is the arc. And again, I have the formula for that here. So I know that's how I'm going to calculate the missing length here. So let's get our formula here. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Again, sorry, something was just showing up for me there. Unnecessary. Okay, so that is 2 multiplied by pi, multiply radius is 12, multiply fraction line 360 at the bottom, and again theta, and our theta is 77. And we put all of that in the calculator, press equal, and to one decimal place we should be getting 40.1 centimeters. It's the length.